Let's tackle problem number 1091, LeetCode, shortest path binary matrix. You are given a matrix like this, and you are supposed to find the shortest path from top left to bottom right. So if it is, you have to traverse only the ones with the zero element in them. And so I call this as BFS with 8 directional vector pattern, because that's what we are going to use the breadth first search. And then this 8 directional vector pattern is like, if this is the element, so you can these 3 elements, and then these 3 elements, and then these 2 elements. So this is how 8 directions you can move to find the shortest path, and that's why the pattern is named as such. So if the top left itself is or bottom right, top left or bottom right is basically not zero, then there is no path, right? Because you need to traverse from top right to top left to bottom right. And these are the directional vectors I was talking about, the relative positions, which you will use to calculate the new x and new y, as you will see. And you need a queue for BFS, and then you push the first element, and then set the grid 0 0 as the path element. Basically, you are using as a running, you use the existing matrix itself without extra variable about what the current path length is, the shortest path length. So while q is not empty, you get the pop the q and then store it in xy, and then set the path length to whatever is in there for grid xy. And then if we reach the end, then you return the path length. If x equals to n minus 1, whatever the value we have reached the end, and so that's why we have to return the path length. Otherwise, you go through the vector directions and then calculate the new direction, new x and new y, not the new direction but the new coordinates, and check. You do the check if new x is greater than 0 and less than n, and new y is greater than or equal to 0 and less than n, and then it is not visited before. So once that is done, you push that new x, new y position, and then set the grid value in new x, new y. Instead of setting it to 1, you set it to the path length plus 1, so that you can remember back here again. When you set it here, you basically use this value here again. So that's how you get the shortest path. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns, and please like and subscribe and share, and click on the bell button for notifications, and I will see you in the next video.